everyone, my name is Davina Smith, also known as Teaching on Purpose, and I'm super excited because today I get to finally answer the question, how do I effectively teach social studies? Well, major key alert, it's all in the planning. So what I've decided to do is actually walk you all through my planning process. Now, calm your nerves. I already know that some people don't have the same access as I do as far as social studies portals and things like that. But no access, no problem. I'm still gonna walk you through how to get certain resources even without a portal. I mean, how awesome is that? So go ahead, grab your laptops, and let's get it popping. The first step you need to do is go ahead and go to Google and type in georgiastandards.org. As you can see, mine already pops up. If I were you, I would go ahead and make sure this is a bookmarked page so that you can get to it easier. Next, you're going to go to the tab that says Georgia Standards of Excellence. Once in this section of the portal, as you can see on the left-hand side, all the subjects are delineated. Well, since we're talking about social studies, let's go ahead and click on social studies. Once here, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see grade band pages. You're going to find the grade that you teach. Seeing that we are elementary, we're going to do K through 5. Once here, you're going to actually pick your individual grade level. Now, for me, I pick 5th grade because that's what I teach. However, if you teach 1st, 2nd, kindergarten, whatever you teach, go ahead and click on that one. But we're going to go into 5th grade just for practicing purposes. Once in, you'll see a plethora of information. So let me break this down for you really quick. We have content resources. This is literally the tab that is going to give you all of your standards. So we'll go over that in a few. Here are some teacher notes, and again, I'll explain what that is and how to use that actual resource. As you scroll down, you'll see teacher content videos. They actually have the standard or what you'll be talking about in order to correlate this with the lesson that you have. So this one is about America at the turn of the century. So this will be a great resource to play for the students when you're teaching that actual subject. As you scroll down, you'll see more videos. Again, they all tell you what they are for. So that's really good as far as organization. As you get to the bottom, you'll see more instructional resources. This is the curriculum map. For those who are new to teaching or do not understand how to use the curriculum map, we'll go over that. But this is pretty much just the blueprint of what you're going to teach, how you're going to chunk it, and at what increments that you're going to do that in. And these are the units that they help you already plan. So these are some things and some resources that you can use in your planning process as well. So let's go ahead and scroll back up and click one of my favorite resources, Teacher Notes. Now, I know I mentioned that the standards are actually on this first tab, but they are also included in the Teacher Notes tab that we just opened. This is very important to note because it literally teaches you how to teach each standard. So if you scroll down, it'll tell you the vocabulary, different resources, and it normally will give you a primary or secondary source. So for instance, let's say I was going to teach how life changed in America at the turn of the century. Well, if you can see right here, it breaks down which elements are also included in this standard. So some standards include more than one standard. But don't worry, don't wreck your brain, because in the teacher notes, it shows you how to paste those two together. Also, if you scroll down, it'll give you more documents as well as different activities that you can give the students. So there are activities as far as brain challenges as well as graphic organizers located in your teacher notes. Again, if you're new to teaching, this is a resource that you literally want to print out and put at the beginning of your planning notebook. Again, this is teacher notes, and it literally breaks down every standard so that you are able to teach it effectively. Do you just teach off of here? No, but this is a good place to start. Now, again, once you scroll down, you will actually run into the curriculum map. Again, this is on the actual Georgia Standards of Excellence. So once you print out your teacher notes, you are good. Keep that on hand for planning purposes. Now, once we click on the curriculum map, it will tell you which standards are used in each unit. Again, that is why it's so important for you to be familiar with the standards. So under Unit 2, these are the standards that you're going to cover. Under Unit 3, these are the standards that you are going to cover. Some units, especially the beginning units, do not quote-unquote have standards. However, no standards, no problem. We're going to scroll down to the bottom, and it's going to literally tell you what you're going to end with, okay? So let's figure out Unit 1, seeing that we do not have any standards. If you go back and you click on sample units, it will show you how to break down that unit, what the student will need to understand, how to make connections. If you scroll down, it'll also give you essential questions. That's extremely important when we're doing constructed responses. It gives you instructional activities. It gives you different variations of those activities as well. And it gives you different cards or different projects for students to do. So this is an amazing resource when it comes to planning. Do you need all these things? No, but it's good to have multiple sources of information and resources. All right, so all this put together can help you formulate and organize and plan an effective learning segment for your students. So if you stay organized and you know where you're going each unit, it'll help you be that more effective and it'll help you efficiently do your lesson plans. I hope you all enjoyed the video. There are more to come. So remember, as long as you plan effectively, you can always teach on a purpose.